Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Frise and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information, and today's video is about why you should include poha in your breakfast regularly. Poha is a breakfast staple in most houses, but a lot of us have been eliminating it in the name of health and diabetes. Since this is a rice-based food and is only carbs, what benefits could it possibly have? Well, I'm here to tell you that you should include poha regularly because it does have health benefits. We'll discuss these and we'll also discuss ways in which you can balance this meal so that it supports your fat loss as well as blood sugar goals. So what's so great about poha? Well, it's a secret, fabulous source of iron. Now, where does this iron in poha come from? And if poha is rice-based, does that mean rice is a good source of iron too? The difference is in the form of preparation. So yes, poha is rice, but it is flattened rice. And this flattening process requires the rice to go through iron rollers. Now, when it is being rolled, some of the iron from the rollers gets transferred into the poha, and that's how poha gets to be a good source of iron. This is very similar to the concept of why you should cook in iron tawas and iron pans. Some of the iron leaches into the food and makes the food a good source of iron. So poha is a good source of iron, and if you squeeze a little bit of lemon on it every time you eat it, you are further increasing your body's ability to absorb this iron. This is especially helpful for people who are menstruating as they have higher iron needs every month. Also very helpful for pregnant women who have high iron needs. Next, let's address the effect of poha on blood sugar levels. One of the first dietary advice that people with diabetes are given is to avoid rice and rice products, including poha. While it is true that poha can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, the trick is to combine this food with other foods that would control this blood sugar spike. So instead of eating your poha plain, grate some paneer into it, chop some veggies into it. Both of these will help prevent a blood sugar spike. You can also eat your poha alongside a bowl of dahi, which will further balance blood sugar. And this way, even if you have diabetes, you can get your iron benefits as well as your blood sugar benefits by eating poha. And even if you don't have diabetes, balancing your blood sugar goes a long way towards helping prevent conditions like cardiovascular disease, heart disease, high cholesterol, hypertension, etc. For more ideas on how to make poha a super balanced meal, check out my video on it right here. So eat your poha because it's yummy and use the strategies in this video to make sure that it supports your health too. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.